Hello and welcome to Banana Camper, the channel that helps you to choose your next camping destination and your camping gear. If you don't know me yet, my name is Rodrigo and I live in Johannesburg or Joburg, South Africa. And this video is the first one of a series of 6, and they are all about our round trip from here, Joburg, all the way to Cape Town, Cape Agulhas, Mossel Bay, and back. Are you ready to join us in this trip? So let's get into that. When we started planning this route, we always wanted to go to Cape Agulhas to see where the Indian and Atlantic Oceans meet. So that was not negotiable. And we had different options, either go via Platensburg and then Cape Agulhas or go all the way to Cape Town. And that's the route that we took because we had a wedding on that period. So we head straight to Cape Town. So our trip started on a Thursday morning, 21st of March 2024, and we went in our first leg was to Harip Dam Forever Resort, and was about 600 kilometers, and we only spent 2 nights there. It was enough to relax a bit and get to know the places and the dam itself. After 2 nights, now what we did, we head to Karoo National Park, another something around 380 kilometers, and also spent 2 nights there, which was great, beautiful landscape, and then another 500 kilometers all the way down to Cape Town at Inhofe Caravan Park in Noordhoek. And we spent just 5 nights. We climbed Table Mountain, attended the wedding, was great. And after 5 nights, we took the routes around Gordons Bay, stopped at Hermanos for lunch, great time there, and another 3 nights at Hansbaai, all the way down to Hansbaai, and then we stopped at Stranskloof Caravan Park, which was fantastic, really great. You're gonna see in the other episodes how we experienced that place and all the stops, in fact. After 3 nights, we then went to ATKV Hartenbos or Tia Kafia. Sorry for my Afrikaans, guys. I'm Brazilian, not Afrikaans. And spent 4 nights in there. It was great weather. The kids really loved, and really fantastic time there. And then after 3 nights, was time to go back all the way and stop again at Harip Dam Forever Resort. Just 1 night, and then another 600 kilometers back home, all the way to Joburg. Okay, that was our route. So guys, this is the first episode of a series of 6, so another 5 to go. So for all these stops that you saw before, I'm planning to record a video and a review for all of these places. And don't forget to like this video, and if you have done yet, subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell so you can get notified when I release the next episodes. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the video so far. Thank you, and see you on the next episodes.